Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will learn some most useful shortcut keys in Excel. Now first is how to add or remove filters. For adding filters to your data, click anywhere inside your table like this and then press Ctrl Shift L. So this is how you can get filters in your data, and now you can filter your data and to see the price of rupees 2000 only, then select 2000 and press OK. So this is how these two customers purchase the items of rupees 2000 only. And now if you want to remove these filters, again press Ctrl Shift L. So this is how you can add or remove filters in your data. Now flash fill. For this, I want to add email addresses of customers, so I will type one email address like this: nikhilsharma@gmail.com. Now if I select all the data and then press Ctrl E, now I will get all the email addresses automatically in my data. Now if you want to get the first name and the last name in a single cell, then also you can type it like this: Nikhil Sharma, and then select rest of the cells in which you want your first name and last name in a single cell, and then press Ctrl E. So this is how flash fill works. And now if you want these order ID and customer names in a single cell, then also you can type it like this: now just select rest of the cells and press Ctrl E. So this is how you can get your order ID and the customer's name in a single cell with the help of Ctrl E key. Now for next shortcut key, if you want 2 decimal places after your numbers, then you just need to select your numbers and then press Ctrl Shift 1 to get decimal places. Now if you want to add dollar symbol before your numbers, then again press Ctrl Shift and 4 to get dollar symbols. To add percentage symbol, then again press Ctrl Shift and percentage key or 5 key. Now if you want your data or your numbers in a scientific format, then simply press Ctrl Shift plus 6. So this is how you can get your numbers in a scientific format. To your data, then simply press Ctrl Shift and 7. So this is how you can get borders in your data. Now if you want to add borders, you can also use Alt H B A to get borders in your data, and you can use Ctrl Shift and 7 for outside borders. And Alt H B A for borders in your data. Now if you want to select your range or select your data, then you can put the cursor anywhere between your data and then simply press Ctrl Shift 8. So this is how you can select your data. So next is how to move between sheets. Like I have 1 to 9 sheets, and if I want to move between my sheets, then if I want to move from left to right, then you just need to press Ctrl plus page down key, and if you want to move right to left in your sheets, then simply press Ctrl plus page up key like this. And if you want to insert a new sheet in your data, then put the cursor in your sheet tab like here. Put the cursor here and then press Shift plus F11 key. So this is how you can insert new sheet in your data. If you are using Excel in your laptop, then to press Shift plus Fn plus F11. Now for the next shortcut key, if you want to convert your data into a table like this is my data, and if I want to convert this data into a table, then simply press the cursor anywhere in your data and then simply press Ctrl plus T and then press OK. So this is how your data is converted into a table, and also you will get a design tab here. So from here you can select any type of design for your data like this. Now if you want the total of your data, like I want the total of my price, so simply click on total row. So here you will get the total of your price column. And now if I want to remove my first row, that is my headings, then simply untick this column. So this is how you can remove your first row of your data. To highlight your last column or bold your last column, then simply tick on this last column box and first column. If you want to highlight your first column or if you want to bold your first column, then simply tick on first column. Banded columns. If you tick on banded columns, then my every alternate column will be highlighted with a single color only. Like my order ID is in blue color only, and my address is in blue color only, and my quantity is in blue color only, and rest of the columns are in two colors, that is blue and white. So you can use design tab in your data. And if you want to again convert your table into a simple data or a simple range, then simply click on this convert to range and then click on yes. So this becomes table. This is simply your data. Now if you want to bold your text, you just need to press Ctrl plus B key, Ctrl plus B, or you can also press Ctrl plus 2 like this. And if you want italics, you can press Ctrl plus 3, and for underline you can press Ctrl plus 4 like this. And if you want to hide any particular row, then simply put the cursor in that row and then press Ctrl plus 9 to hide that row. So this is how you can hide your rows. So here as you can see that after 10 I have my 12th row. And now if you want to hide your columns, then simply put the cursor in that column and then press Ctrl plus 0. So this is how you can hide your columns. And now if you want to hide your ribbon, that is this area, simply press Ctrl plus F1 key to hide your ribbon like this. And if you are using it in your laptop, then you need to press Ctrl Fn plus F1 key. Now to add dollar symbol, if you want to add dollar symbol before your numbers, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus dollar to get dollar symbol before your numbers and also 2 decimal places. But here I got rupee symbol before my numbers because here in my number format in currency I have selected my rupee symbol. If I select a dollar symbol from here, So now I will get a dollar symbol here. So you can select it according to your need. If you want a rupee symbol, then simply select rupee symbol from here, and if you want a dollar symbol, simply select dollar symbol from here, and then simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus 4 from your keyboard to get that particular symbol before your prices. Now if you want to delete your data, you can simply select your data and then press delete key from your keyboard. But you can also select your data and then move this plus symbol upwards to delete your data like this. You just need to select your data which you want to delete and then move it upward. Move this plus symbol upwards to delete your data. So this is how you can delete your data in Excel.